Fastest time. If there is a tie at the end of the game, the one with the fastest time will break the tie. The second cut, gentlemen, y'all want to watch this because this is different. On this one, they're to cut the rope in half. He has 5 points if he cuts the rope, 10 points if it drops down in the bucket. Now, there's a reason why to drop down in the bucket. Almost everything you make your cut at a particular angle in order to cut efficiently. That means he knows what he's doing when he drops it down the bucket. Gentlemen, your third cut will be the shotgun shell. You can get on this side or you can stand on this side. The object is, it is a 5 and 15, is that right, Bob? It is the most difficult cut known to man for those that have done this. Now you can do this. The object is, cut this shotgun shell in half for 5 points. The big object, the main object, if you can leave it upright, that's 15 points. The reason why it's 15, that is the most difficult cut out there today. It has been done twice with double tuba shotgun shells. We call it the double barrel. But it's only been done twice in the world. The number 4 cut will be a card. That card must be cut in half. You can cut it any way you want to, but it must be done in half. Your fifth, is that right? 1, 2, 3, yeah. Fifth cut. This will be with the back side of the clip of your knife. So you'll be doing a backhand cut. That rope primary, this rope's a little smaller, but still it's a mighty stout one. The 6th cut will be a water bottle cut. The object is to go through, it's not water bottles, it's a bit thicker bottles. So, and it's red colored to remind them to be safe. The object is to cut all 3, cleanly cut. This one must be cut through that lid. All right? If it's not, you're disqualified. Now, the other object of this whole cutting on this here is we also are timing your entire cut. If you trot or walk, you are trot or run, excuse me. You are disqualified if you trot or run. It's easy enough to make every one of these cuts in 4 minutes. If you do it in 4 minutes or less, you get 3 additional points. It's okay. You're still in the running if you do it 5 minutes or 6 minutes. That's fine. But if you want that 3 additional points, you must do it in 4 minutes or less. And you don't have to walk any faster than this. Okay? Because y'all are champions. As a matter of fact, let me introduce, we'll start with Jim Bob. Wave your hand. Jim Bob is a former Arkansas State cutting champion. Lynn Ray, who is one of our timers, is not only Arkansas State cutting champion, but he's also world cutting champion for me. All these gentlemen at the end of the show do have knives for sale, and they cut well for a reason. You are getting your money's worth. Let's see. So we have our 2 safety judges will be J.R. Cook and Ricardo Villar. Ricardo will be on this side. J.R. will be on this side. Ricardo on this side. If they holler, blow, whistle, whatever, you do not move. You do not untrack your arm or your leg, or you are disqualified. They will not do that unless they see something that may be unsafe, that you're trying to kind of rush it or something like that. Take your time with the cutting. Where's that paramedic? Okay, right here. That could be the most important part in the whole thing. Because unless you know how to stop massive bleeding, and it does happen. Let me introduce our cutters for today. If you cutters will either stand up or wave your hand or something so they know who you are, they have numbers. Larry Hemphill, Jim Bob Lamb, Brandon Marvel. Let's see who we're, okay, Randy Caston, Shane Frank. Oh, he brought his own cheering crew. Good. Ben Seward. He's birthing his cheering crew one at a time. So he's got a new one with him. Adam Millay. James Stevens. Ramsey Richardson. Thomas Franklin. Don Hoffman. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get this thing started and underway. All right, our first cutter up, Larry Hemphill. Whoa, hold it. Somebody's hollering at me. Go. I had the wrong sheet. Number 12, Jesse Lossie. I missed that one. Now, cutters, do all of you understand that the path that you're going to take? All right? Well, it's a little different. We will in Paris.